Hello everyone, I'm Akanksha Mishra and you are watching our YouTube channel TNP Academy. In 2025, food isn't just about taste. It is also about trust, safety and science. But while most people think food safety is just about temperature or hygiene, there is a hidden layer that often gets overlooked: biochemical ingredients. Welcome to ISO 22003 Category H, the category that governs vitamins, minerals, probiotics, enzymes, and other biochemical components added to food. Think of it as the backstage technician that ensures your energy drink or protein shake doesn't cause more harm than good. What is ISO 22003 and why are categories important? ISO 22003 is the supporting standard that defines how food safety management system certifications like ISO 22000 should be audited based on the type of food business. It breaks the food chain into different categories, A to I. So certification bodies know that a specific competence and controls are needed for each type. Category H is dedicated to biochemical manufacturing, which has unique food safety risk, not biological but chemical and molecular. Now, what falls under Category H? Category H covers the manufacturing of food and feed additives, vitamins, minerals, amino acids, fatty acids, enzymes, flavor enhancers, and probiotics. In simple terms, we can say that if it goes into your food and has a functional or nutritional role but isn't technically a food, it likely falls under Category H. For example, your vitamin C chewables, gut health probiotic sachet, whey protein isolate, enzyme drops added to milk, all these fall squarely under Category H. And because they are highly concentrated and scientific in nature, the risk is much higher if not handled with precision. Now, why Category H is high risk? Unlike raw food or cooked meals, the risk with biochemical ingredients lies in chemical dosage, purity, formulation, and side effects. A tiny miscalculation can lead to overdosing, underdosing, allergic reactions, or even toxicity. These products are often consumed directly or added in specific quantities, which makes traceability and validation critical. Category H is about microscopic safety with macroscopic impact. Think of it as food safety at the molecular level. Now we will talk about the common non-conformities found in Category H. Category H audits frequently uncover critical issues that can put public health at risk. Common non-conformities include incorrect dosage printed on packaging, unsupported health claims like prevents cancer or boost immunity, unapproved or unverified raw material suppliers, lack of testing for heavy metals or chemical residues, no validation of probiotic count at product expiry, cleaning validation records missing for shared equipment. These issues might seem technical, but in Category H, they can make or break your product or your brand. Now let's understand this with real-world case studies. Let's look at a few eye-opening examples. A sports supplement brand recalled due to banned steroids found in a protein mix. A probiotic drink failed testing as the actual bacteria count was 10 times lower than claimed. A vitamin capsule had wrong dosage listed on its label, leading to mass confusion and consumer complaints. All of these cases could have been prevented with a proper FSMS and ISO 22003 Category H level audit. It is not just compliance, it is about credibility. Now, how to implement FSMS for Category H? Implementing a food safety management system under ISO 22000 and aligning with ISO 22003 for Category H involves conducting a gap analysis with a chemical hazard focus, building a competent team trained in food science, establishing strong documentation (MSDS) formulas, creating a robust HACCP plan for formulation risk, ensuring regular third-party testing, setting up label and claim verification protocols, performing internal audits and regular management reviews. FSMS isn't just a paper exercise now. It must be backed by actual scientific control. Category H may not be as visible as packaged meals or fresh produce, but it is one of the most sensitive and high-risk areas in the food chain. ISO 22003 ensures that companies making vitamins, enzymes, probiotics, or any biochemical food additives are audited with precision and by experts. In a world where consumers read labels, check certifications, and rely on food for health, Category H is the guardian of trust. Don't treat biochemical products like snacks. They need systems, checks, and controls that protect public health at a chemical level. If your business deals with supplements, additives, or health-based food ingredients, getting certified under ISO 22000 with Category H audit compliance isn't a choice. It's your path to safety, trust, and global growth. Thanks for watching. I am Akanksha Mishra. We'll see you in the next session of TNB Academy.